Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd do an unboxing video. I've never done one of these before. I've only had a couple videos out, but I thought I'd do an unboxing video of a recent purchase that I got here from Saint Laurent. Now let's get to it. So it comes in this long paper bag. So let's see, bear with me here. Okay, so I'm gonna lay this over like that. So first item that I purchased is a case. Not sure what it's called. Hold on. It retails. It's in Canadian dollars, so it retails for $6.45 Canadian dollars. It's a YSL pouch. This color is in earth. It's more like a taupey grayish color. I try to get a better lighting here, but so it's similar to a Chanel case actually, maybe a little bit bigger than that, or maybe it's the same size actually. So this one, sorry, so it's got that logo there as well. I thought. Yep, and the Saint Laurent down there. So it's got some compartments inside. I don't know if you could see that, but I thought it would be good to kind of for traveling anyway, to kind of put all my foreign currencies in there, credit card, foreign currencies, and whatever receipts I have, instead of trying to sort out my wallet. So that's one of the items. So it comes with the dust bag in the box. It came with a little booklet of some sort, but I guess not. Okay, so that's first item, item number one. Let's move on. So the second item I have, I purchased is a card case. And it's, I thought I needed one, pink one actually, for my collection. This one is called, it's you can't see the color very much, but it's a pink. I think it's called pale pink, if I'm not mistaken. So it comes with the silver hardware, a shiny silver hardware actually. So it comes with a dust bag as well, and it actually came with this little thing. So yeah, it comes with the dust bag, the box, and in this card, it's got like two slot there, and one at the middle there. I haven't tried to use it yet, so I don't know how it's gonna. So this one, in particular one, I believe retails for $3.65 Canadian dollars. So, so that's the second purchase, and it's actually in different material than my case, because my case is in, I'm not sure what material this is. It's in, I believe it's metalassi, or I don't know how to pronounce that, leather, and it's calf skin. This one is grainy. It's more like a grainy type, similar to their, I'm not really sure actually. I should have done my research first. So yeah, it's a little bit different material than this one. This one's more puffy type case. Okay, now let's move on to the third purchase I did is, hold on 1 second, bear with me here. So it comes with this dust bag, and there it is. There it is. It comes with all these things. I'm not sure why they have all that stuff. This is actually my first purchase from Saint Laurent, so I thought I'd do an unboxing video of it before I take off all these stuff that's on it. So that's what I got. This beauty here. It's called a Loulou, I believe. Let's look at the tag here quick. Sorry. So yeah, it's sorry. That's what it's called. It's a medium-sized Loulou. in color Earth. It retails for $269 Canadian dollars. So, so yep, that's the. It's actually very smooth type leather. I've got so many black bag already, so I thought, I don't know, I thought I change it up a bit by doing a by getting this one here in a different color. It's more like a taupey gray, more gray, I believe. So when I got this pouch, actually kind of matches with it. So there they are. So that's them. So it's a Loulou bag in medium size. So it comes with this long, actually it's a two-way strap. So it kind of, you can wear it shoulder bag. You can wear it crossbody actually. I purchased this one for the purpose of using it for traveling. So I thought it's a decent size. It's got a lot of it's a big, huge compartments actually. So it's pretty decent size. I'll do a review on this once I take out all these wrapping that's on it. I've never seen wrapping before. I've purchased actually Chanel and Louis Vuitton mainly, but I've never seen wrapping like these. But anyway, I guess that's how they do it. I know the hardware, they do wrapping on the hardware, but so yep, there's a Saint Laurent there. They're everywhere, the Saint Laurent logo. There's another one there. So my next video would be doing a review on this, but I thought I like her. We'll see how she holds up. It's a little bit different from what I normally purchase. I like to be safe with the color, but I thought, you know, change it up with this. I know my card case doesn't really match it. This is more like for my other handbags, but so yeah, those are my 3 purchased. Let's see here. Sorry. I actually originally purchased a sac de jour, but I got it in pink, and I thought I exchange it for this one. This is a little bit more safe for traveling because of the material. The other one, I feel like I have to always baby it, or I don't want to have to be mindful of what I'm carrying. So yeah, I'll do a review on this once I start using it and I start taking out all these wrappings on it. Those are the 3 items that I exchanged them for. So yeah, okay. So yeah, I'll do a review, like I said, and we'll let you know how she holds up. It actually comes with a it's not quite that shiny. It's sort of like I don't know, maybe an antique type silver hardware, but I thought it looks nice with the combo there. So those are my 3 purchases, and hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.